Hello, guys. Hello. Hey, yo, why am I English like that? Hey, guys. You know what that means, right? I'm seeing whoever has my chef hat gets a shout out. So yeah, let's get started. Okay. Yo, who has a chef hat? Anyone has a chef hat? Who has a chef hat?
Yo, why haven't you been on the Femboy Discord?
Yo, anyone has a chef hat?
How do you know?
Bro, what happened? You haven't even been on the
Huh.
Discord server, bro.
Who has a chef hat?
How do you know?
Who has a chef hat?
Bro, what's going on?
Okay. Go. Yo, Blue, do you have a chef hat? Yo, Blue, do you have a chef hat? Yo, whoever has a chef hat, gets a shout out on YouTube.
I bought it.
Last chef hat. Okay. Anyone has chef hat? Who has chef hat? Who has a chef hat? Whoever has a chef hat, I will shout out to you guys. Who has a chef hat? Bro, guys, this is gonna be hard. Guys, who has a chef hat? You have a chef hat? Where's the chef at? Do you have a chef hat? Get this chef hat. This has chef hat. You don't even have no cosmetics. Now get out. Yo, who has a chef hat? Whoever has a chef hat, I'll shout them out on YouTube. Who has a chef hat? Then put it on, dude. Stop. Okay, alright. Who has a chef hat? Everyone, come to Stump and put on the chef hat. Put on the chef hat. I bet you won't. Where's the chef hat? You don't have it. It's hat right here. Press hat, dude. Oh shit. Who has a chef hat? No, I'm not touching your nuts. No. Who has a chef hat? You're blind. Bro, no one has a chef hat, gang. Yo, chef hat. I hear chef hat. I hear chef hat. I hear chef hat. Dang, that's it. Who has a chef hat? Anyone has chef hat? Who has chef hat? Okay, guys. I am cupped. Now, whoever has a chef hat and super tag, I'll shout out to you guys. So yeah, see ya.